to our tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a playback on Dahua DVR. So what I'm just going to do, right click and let's go to the main menu and click on search. So getting on search, this is the default screen that we are going to have. So let's just come back to this particular place. So from here now we are having here. So from here you can defaultly type a particular year which you want to play back. So I'm picking 2019. So from here now on this drop down, which my mouse icon is, you can click here. From here you can defaultly select the month which you want to play back. So from here now I'm clicking on May. So defaultly now on May, maybe you don't want to click here. You can also click this icon to go back to April, February, as you can see. But defaultly I don't have any events here. To know every event that is recording, you can see all these white icons. So this white icon that we are seeing on each day simply means the event which has been recorded. So all these ones that we are having and this blank on the each number are the event that has not been recorded yet. As you can see, this is 15. Let me show you back. So simply means all these April 2019, all these icons that we are seeing here simply means all this black icon simply means we did not have any event recorded on the day. So simply means all these events that we are having now is being recorded. So once you choose the month that you want to play back, so just click on the particular day. Maybe the day that you want to play back is 17th of May or whatever the day it is. Click on 17, and from this place, let's come back to this place. So this screen that we are having here, this simply means if you want to play just only one camera, it can only be choose. So once you choose it, you can decide the camera which you want to play back from this place. Maybe it's camera 1 or to 16. You can decide to choose. So this icon simply means if you want to play just only 4 cameras. So from this camera, you can either choose any of the camera. From here, you can choose maybe it's channel 1 that you want to play or channel 8. Maybe you can decide to choose maybe channel 7. Maybe from here, you can decide to choose maybe channel 10. Maybe you want to know how the events goes. So from here, this simply means you want to play just 8 camera at a time. So from this 8 camera, you can either choose maybe from 1 to 8 camera or 9 to 16. And from here, choosing this place simply means maybe you want to play the whole 16 cameras at once. Why this place simply means you want to customize the channel that you want to play back. But right now, let me just click on the 8 channels, which is 1 to 8. After clicking on this particular one, which is 1 to 8 that you want to play, you have to head down, come straight to this play icon. Without clicking on this play icon, the events will not be played. So I'm clicking on the play icon right now, and the events will automatically show up right now. So as you can see, I'm having the midnight event, which is starting from the 0 hour to 24 hours. So everything is fast as it is. So from here now, let's decide the camera here is even having problem at the midnight. Let's imagine now that this is a ATM, because this camera that I'm showing you is a bank ATM, as you can see now. Let's imagine that this is the ATM itself. So from here, you can click from the hour which you really want to see what's really happening. This is 1 a.m. in the midnight, this 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Let's check what is happening 8 a.m. So from here, you can just drag your mouse and click on it. So automatically, the event itself has jumped. But if possible that you just want to see only this particular event, you can double click on it and it's become more larger to see what's really happening. From here now, you can just come here to see the quick events. Let's say maybe you want to check what is really happening within 2-hour events. You can click here. So the event that we are having here now, it makes it just 2 hours, which is from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Maybe you want to make it 1 hour. You can make it 1 hour. Maybe you want to see the event maybe between 8 and 9. You want to forward the event, so it makes this for us each for 5 minutes, as you can see. So from here, you can forward it within the hour of the time, as you can see. And if you want to make it 30 minutes, it's now going to be from 8 o'clock to 8:30 a.m. As you can see, clicking on this icon give us from 8 o'clock to 8:30. So from this event now, you can easily drag your mouse to what exactly happening within the hour of the time, as you can see. So if you want to zoom the particular one, you can just roll your mouse which is this particular thing. You can roll it on the particular channel. Once you roll it, it becomes more zoom, and you can drag it around to see what is happening, and you can roll it back to default way. So you can also double click and go back to the pure channel, as you can see. So this is just how the playback is being done. Are you really enjoying this tutorial? If you really like this tutorial, kindly just click on the subscribe button and also give a good feedback for us by liking or comment down below. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Have a lovely time.